Avax is right now at this very interesting area and we could see a massive explosion in the near future. In this video I will talk about Avax and share my price prediction for the long and for the short term. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. You will find daily updates on cryptos like Avax, Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. Avax is right now on place 12 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $12.4 billion. The coin is existent since 2020 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after the all-time high we saw this massive bearish trend. We came all the way down into this demand zone. This demand zone which was the start of this bullish push, and after retesting this demand zone multiple times, we then saw this massive breakout out of the zone, also broke this supply zone to the upside, and after that we continued with this bullish structure on the weekly time frame. And right now we are retesting this last demand zone, because as you can see we are clearly in a bullish structure, and this demand zone is in confirmed higher low. Then we saw this push to the upside, made in higher high. And right now we also retested this demand zone 2 times and now for the 3rd time. And now the chance is really high that we could see a massive explosion if we are seeing bullish price action and if we are breaking this last high right here. So we now found support multiple times at this area, but we also found rejection at this high right here. So now it's very important that we are breaking this last high to the upside. And if we are breaking this one and find acceptance again, then I think the chance is high that we could see massive higher prices in the near future. And as I said, we have some big support right here. And especially if Bitcoin is also continuing to move to the upside, then the chance is high that we could see even higher prices at the whole crypto market and at Avax. And of course, the next really interesting price target is this high right here. And from the prices right now to this potential high, we would have potential over 100%. And I also bought some Avax for my spot portfolio with my trading signal group. I now have a paid signal group where I share my private trades with leverage and my spot trades. And I also share my risk management and my secrets to grow a small trading account. You can join my group by a monthly subscription and also cancel every month. You will find the link for my paid group in the description. So as I said, for the short term, I think the chances are high that we could see even higher prices, especially if we're breaking this last highs at nearly $40. And if we're also breaking this last high right here at $65, then of course the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $103. Because from this high we saw this massive bearish trend, and if we're also breaking this one to the upside and find acceptance again, then of course the last really interesting price target is the all-time high from Avax at $147. And just from the prices right now to this potential price target, we would have potential over 350%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for a big coin like Avax. Because the bigger the cryptocurrency is, the less risky it is to invest. Of course, you don't have the chance to get a 100x from Avax, but I think that a 350% increase would be an amazing deal. And to calculate a more bullish price target for the bull run, we are using the Fibonacci tool. And if we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $232. And I think this is also realistic because the best coins are also exploding over the last all-time high. And I think Avax has the potential. Of course, the more realistic one is that we are reaching the last all-time high, but I could also imagine that we are reaching this next potential price target. And from the prices right now to this potential price target, we would have potential over 600%. And as I said, I think this is a realistic price target. But again, guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. And it's always important to have a strict risk management and a working strategy. And if you want to buy or trade Avax, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies, and if you're using my link, you get up to $5,000 trading bonus. You will find the link for BingX in the description. So all in all, guys, I'm very bullish on Avax. Again, we are retesting this last demand zone, and if we are breaking also this last highs to the upside, this range right here, then the chance is extremely high that you could see even higher prices. And then the next potential interesting price target is this high right here at $65. And if we're also breaking this one, then the chance is high that we are also retesting or reaching the last all-time high at $147. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.